Welcome in this second movie of chapter 4, so paragraph 4.2, calculating with a scale factor, or what we're going to do, how to calculate the length of the sides of enlargements with a ratio table. And I see I made a spelling mistake over here. That's a pity, so I'm going to correct that. Length, yes, like that. Okay, we're going to use a ratio table. And if we're going to use a ratio table, we're first going to start with drawing a table like that. I want it to be a little bit longer, like that, smaller. Okay, it's a very big. No, I don't want it like that thick. I want it to be thinner. Here we are. Something like this. And in the ratio table, we're going to start with writing down which triangles we're talking about. And we first need to write down the original triangle. And a triangle is, we use the triangle sign. So triangle. And the original over here is the one we know all the sides of. And the other one, we don't want to know the sides of. And I'm going to explain this with this example. I want to calculate x and y. So how long is AC and how long is BC? And that triangle is an enlargement, and this one is the original KLM. So triangle KLM. And the other one is triangle ABC. Okay, and then I'm going to write down all the sides I know. So I know KL, that one is 14. I know LM, that's 27. I know KM or MK, one is 23. And I need to have the corresponding sides of the other triangle, the enlargement of ABC. Well, AB and KL corresponds, so this one is AB. This is 7. Just to be, this is 14. Okay, and then we have BC is LM, so this is BC. And then we have AC as the last one. AC is X, BC is Y, because I've given that numbers. And then we need to figure out how to go from one side to the other. Over here, and this is basically the scale factor. Over here we're going to put on the scale factor, and we go from 14, and then we need to get to 7. So 14 multiplied by something is 7. It is, we need to multiply by half. And then what we're going to do over here, 27 multiplied by half is 13 and a half. And 23 multiplied by a half is 11 and a half. So X was AC is 11 and a half. And Y is BC is 13 and a half. So what is our step plan? How are we going to do this? First of all, make a table with the original and the enlargement. So this is the original and this is the enlargement. We fill in the sides, fill in known sides. So this is 1, 2, 3. Step 4 is to calculate the scale factor. And step 5, calculate other sides. Okay, hey, we're going to practice in class. See you then. Bye.